This is a quick tutorial on how to use the Canvas app. You can download your Canvas app on the Google Play Store or the App Store, and you are looking for the white square widget with red circle design on it. It is the Canvas Student. So once you have it downloaded, you're going to open the app and you're going to click Find My School. And you're going to type in Giles County Schools. And once you get to this screen, you're going to enter your kid's login and their password. That should be found on your Remind app. And once you get into the coursework, the only course that should appear is Miss Shepherd's Pre-K. You're going to click on that. And the only thing important on this screen is the home button. Always go home. And then here it's going to pull up all of the apps for your kid to use. And so the announcement app is probably the most important for you as the parent. It is going to give you the work that is very specific for that week's learning. And so you will just go here and it will tell you this is not ready for September 21st through the 25th. But it will have videos linked, it will have activities linked, and things for you to look at to do with your child that is very specific to that week's learning. And so that is found under the announcements. And you're going to scroll down through here, and your kid can go to any of these apps. They could go to the phonics app to work on their letters, letter recognition, rhyme, nursery rhymes, all those different skills that we work on in preschool. They can go to the math app and work on counting. Here's all kinds of different videos, subsidizing. It gives you different things to work on with your kid. Shapes, spatial work, and patterns. Anytime that you click on an app and it takes you to this website, it is my Narrows website, you're going to scroll back and go to the app again to go home. So you do have to exit out of that web page and go back to the app. Miss Alvis, Mr. Mann, and Miss Farmer have graciously provided learning for our kids online since we cannot be in their classrooms this year. Miss Alvis provided a preschool and kindergarten app. Mr. Mann and Miss Farmer just provided the kindergarten app that can be used for preschoolers. And so it is the same learning. You will click on those apps and it will take you to their websites. Miss Farmer's music class is always one of the kids' favorites. And so you'll just click and go to kindergarten. If you ever get an error message when you click on an app, we are working on it. It does notify me, but the link is broken, and so we have to go in and fix it. It's just a glitch we're having, and so I think currently the Gym app is the only one that is broken. Read alouds. This is a good place to go, and the kids can just listen to books that I have read. And I will work on uploading more of those when I have time to record me reading some more. But these are the kids' favorites right now. So I went ahead and did those. And that is how to use the app. If you ever have any questions or are having any problems, I will do my very best to figure out an answer for those. We have a great technology team that is helping us. So don't hesitate to message me. I will do my best to solve any problems that we're having. But please let me know of those problems. And that is how you use it.